Welcome to the 21 Days Millionaire Affirmation series. Listen daily for the next 21 days and step into your wealthy identity. This is day 4. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breathe in and gently exhale. Again, take a slow, deep breathe in and gently exhale. Let your body relax. Let your mind become still. You are safe. You are open. Today, we upgrade your mindset for wealth. Now gently listen or repeat these affirmations silently. I am upgrading my mindset for wealth and success. I am thinking in new, expanded ways. I no longer think small. I no longer limit myself. I allow my mind to grow. I make smart, confident financial decisions. I learn quickly. I improve every day. I see money as a tool for freedom and growth. Money supports my life. Money supports my goals. I am calm and confident around money. I stay focused on long-term success. I am consistent. My mindset attracts profitable ideas. My mindset attracts smart opportunities. My mindset supports abundance. I learn from successful people. I apply what I learn. I trust my ability to grow financially. I am disciplined with my habits. I am focused on progress. Small steps create big results for me. I release impulsive thinking. I release fear-based decisions. I choose clarity and wisdom. I am open to learning new skills that increase my income. I adapt easily. I evolve constantly. My mind works in my favor. My thoughts support wealth creation. My beliefs support success. Every day, my financial intelligence improves. Every day, my confidence grows stronger. Every day, my results improve. I am building wealth patiently and wisely. I trust the process of growth. I trust myself. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel this clarity in your mind, this focus in your energy. I have a wealthy mindset. I think clearly. I act wisely. I grow steadily.